Hi, so what I'm going to do is we're going to be measuring the hotness of this Tabasco sauce in a minute. But first of all, I just want to introduce this. This is the food sense from Zimmer & Peacock. It has many functionalities, but one of them is to be able to measure the hotness of chili sauces. So with the Tabasco, what I've done is I've pre-did this to make it a bit more efficient, but I've taken 1 volume of Tabasco and 4 volumes of the buffer, and I'm just going to actually tell the app that that's what I've done because the app can account for it. Now the reason I've done that is Tabasco is not the super or the hottest sauce on the market. It's a tasty one, but we only require to do quite a mild dilution, and because it's not super hot, capsaicin is not super soluble, but we don't need a lot of buffer in order to solubilize the capsaicin. So we've made up a little sample of Tabasco. As I say, it's a sort of 1 volume of Tabasco to 4 volumes of buffer. I'll just put the sensor in here. So this is the Chilli sensor. In it goes, and I'm going to add the sample. So what we're going to now do is quickly take the sample like this. It really doesn't take that long to prepare the sample, and it doesn't take that long to run the analysis. So the signal goes, or not signal rather, but the drop goes on like that, and we are going to make a measurement. So this runs quite quickly, and what happens is you'll see the progress bar track round, and by the time it track rounds, we'll get the result or the hotness of this in Scoville heat units. Okay, so the results come through. Now Tabasco, if you look them up online, they say that their sauces ship between 2,500 and 5,000 Scoville heat units. This is not the freshest bottle. We've had this quite a while, and it's come in at 2,856. So we've actually, completely on target and as expected. So food sense, very small, very neat. Definitely a low-cost way of objectively measuring the Tabasco. So when you're in a sort of quality control, you want a repeatability of manufacturing situation, you can objectively measure the Tabasco as opposed to obviously taste testing. There's also HPLC, high pressure liquid chromatography, but there's a certain cost of ownership and a certain test time that can be quite inhibitive sometimes in the food industry. So if you have any questions of the food sense and its ability to measure sauces, then don't hesitate to reach out to us at Zimmer & Peacock. Okay, thanks very much.